Hello students, in last class we did functions. We tried for the functions that how to call to the function, how to invoke to function, how to create to function. In this chapter, using functions only, we will do the recursion statement. Recursion is same as the iterative statements. It means in the looping we are doing the repetition of the statement multiple times. In recursion also we will do the repetition of the statement. It means it will call the function itself. That is called the recursion. If a number of times a function is calling itself is called recursion. Now we are taking some example of the recursion. Firstly, we will read that function, the factorial of a number using recursion. All of you know about how to get the factorial of a number. But in this program, we will get the factorial of a number using recursion. Here, I have written one program. The factorial of a number using recursion. See, you can check the function here. Here, the pointer firstly will jump to the main menu. The main menu will start from this portion because this is the definition of the function, right? So firstly it will go to that statement. It will firstly enter a number, एक number enter करवाएगा. Then after that it will check the number is less than to 0, then sorry, factorial does not exist for negative numbers, right? Then if number is 0, the factorial of 0 is 1. Then after that the main function is here of the factorial for calculating the factorial. Then in the else statement it will go there for finding the factorial. Let's say I want to get the factorial of 4 number. The num value is 4 here. Then it will jump there. The factorial of 4 is here. It is calling the function factorial. It means यहाँ से ये function call हो रहा है. Factorial function को call कर रहा है. Then inside to the parameter it is passing the value 4. Right? Then this is the calling of the function, factorial function. तो जहाँ पर भी ये लिखा है, it will jump there directly. It will jump there, here. Where is the definition of the function? Definition of the function is written here. So this is the calling of the function. Inside that we are passing the value of num. Then it will jump there in that function. Right? The num value will pass in n here. If n value is 1, then it will return n. Right? If n value अगर हमने factorial निकालना है 1 का, then it will return the n value 1 directly. The 1 factorial will be 1 only. But I told you that I am passing the value 4 in num. So we are passing 4 from num to n here. Then n is not 1. So it will go to else statement. Then it will return n. It is 4 multiply. 4 multiply, again calling of the function. We can see this is called recursion कि एक function अपने आप को बार बार call कर रहा है. It is repeating the statement, right? N is 4 multiply then factorial n minus 1. It means n की value कितनी है? 4. 4 minus 1 means 3. 3. Then with the passing value of 3 it will call again. Then it will pass the value 3 in n this time. 3. Then this time it is not equals to 1. Again it will come here. Then 4 into now 3. And value is 3. Then again 3 minus 1, 2. It will call to 2 value in n. Then again 4 into 3 is in memory. Now again we are multiplying it with 2. Then 2 minus 1. The value is 1. 1. It means now finally it will return the value, the multiple values of the factorial. Like 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It will return from this side to this side. Now it will print the statement of the factorial just like the output this. Right? Now the solution is here in the Python program. See, this is the factorial I have written in your Python. Right? Now we can check the answer. The number 4 factorial. Now we can get the result 4 is, we can get the result 4 is 24. Right. Again I am showing the example, that this is the example I have written in the Python. Right. You can check each and every statement here. Then after executing the statement, the answer of 4 factorial will be 24 here. Is that okay? Now we will do another example here. We will do another example here. The Fibonacci series using recursion. How to get the Fibonacci series? All of you knows about it, that how to get Fibonacci series. What is the Fibonacci series? It means up to 5 number. If I want to get the Fibonacci series, the Fibonacci series will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 5. It will be the output of the Fibonacci series till 5. It means the third number will be the sum of previous 2 numbers. That will be called the Fibonacci series. Then how can you do using the recursive statement? Here, this is the example I have written in the program here. Now, firstly, through the main function only, we will start the Fibonacci series here. Here we will take one number in num. Let's say again I am taking 4 here. Then using 4 number, here we will start the range using 4 statement, 4 loop. Again, it will start from 0 to that number. Then from the 0, it will call to the Fibonacci number 0 here. 0. Then from this number, it will go directly to jump to that statement, because the definition of the function is here. Then we are sending the very first number of that loop. It means 0. The 0 is less than to 1. Yes, it is less than to 1. It means it is returning n. It is returning 0 here. Then it is starting from 0. Yes. For getting the 4 factorial, the very starting number will be 0. Then second number should be 1. Next third number should be 1. Again next number should be the sum of the next previous 2 numbers. Right? 1 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 3. It means in very starting we are sending 1. It is returning again the value 1. After 0 it is returning, it is printing through the print statement 1 here. Then in next statement it will pass 2 number here, 2. Then it will go there, right, in Fibonacci number. Right, in return statement it is showing that Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci function. It is calling the function 2 times. It is calling the function using my logic. It is calling the function 2 times. N minus 1 and n minus 2. And getting the sum of these 2 numbers after calling the result of these 2 numbers and returning the statement in here. Right. Then first number 2. 2 minus 1. It means 1. 2 minus 2. It means 0. Then what was the number? After calling the 1, after calling according to that statement, it was passing 1 here. Then after passing 0 also, it was returning the value 0 here. Yani 1 plus 0, again it will find 1 number here. Then after giving 3 number, then 3 minus 1, it means 2. And what was the result? After passing the 2 in the last statement, it was 1 here. Then 3 minus 2, 1. After passing the value 1, what was the result? 1, yeah. Yani ki it means the next value will be 1 plus 1, 2. Then after that, it will, because all these statements, repeat all these statements again and again, finally it will find the result. Just like this. The answer is how many terms you want to display? 8. The Fibonacci series is 13. Now we will check in the Python code here. This is the Python code. Here we can check the result. 4 factorial. It means 0, 1, 1 and 2 as we discussed. Now in next class we will do the binary.